So guys, today we will be looking at the all new A limousine. This car has a beautiful design along with the LED high performance lights from Mercedes-Benz. You can see the design factor of this car, and currently it is the most aerodynamic car. It's got the least drag coefficient for a production car. The car now comes with 17-inch alloy wheels and with mobility extended tires. As we can see, MOE tires. So car is in a beautiful design range right here. It's got a beautiful design element behind as well. You can see the sloping roof of the car, beautiful LED tail lights. You can open the boot of the car, and it's got a very generous boot space as well of 420 liters. We can get inside the car. Also, this car comes with two engine options, which is one is a 1.4 liter petrol engine, and one is a 2 liter diesel engine option, which is the A200D, and the petrol is A200. And the car also comes with the AMG variant, which is the A35 AMG, which is a 2 liter turbo petrol engine from the AMG family. It produces a peak power of 306 horsepower. We can see the behind of the car first. The front seat is adjusted according to my seating position, and I'm 6 feet tall, so even after that it's very comfortable. As we can see, you've got decent amount of leg space, quite comfortable as well. Now we can move forward to the front of the car. Now the best part is what we will be seeing now in terms of the design element. So the car comes with the two 10.25 inch screens. This is one 10.25 inch screen wherein the design aspect can be changed. This is the other design element that we've got here, and we've got the MBUX. So we've got the 10.25 inch screen right here. This is the touch screen along with the Mercedes features, Mercedes features. And the best part about this car is the design element in terms of the air conditioning units as well. It's got the ambient lighting, which is put inside the air vents. It's got a wireless charger in the center. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto come as standard. The car comes with two cup holders right here with a touchpad for the MBUX, automatic rain sensing wipers, automatic headlights. It comes with memory seats for the front seats. Which is beautiful, and especially at night time, I mean, the interior of this car looks beautiful. Also, you've got an amazing generous sunroof right here, panoramic sunroof. Now what we will do is, I will show you few voice commands with the vehicle. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Ambient light blue.
Okay, I am changing the color.
We can see how beautiful the design is looking now. Hey Mercedes. Hey Mercedes.
Help you.
Temperature 16 degrees.
I'm setting the temperature on the driver's side to 16 degrees.
So we can see how the temperature went down to 16 degrees just with the voice command. The car also comes with an amazing sound system. And just the design of the entire dashboard is something different and new. The engine start-stop button is also placed in a new configuration. And definitely it comes with the Mercedes Me Connect, as you can identify from the Me and the SOS button right here. So the car, don't miss out on anything. It gets each and every feature that is required. And the best part about this car is the length of the glass in the front. So as we can see, it's a huge glass in the front. So instead of having your mirrors replaced on the door, it is placed slightly down on the door and not on the window frame. So you get a huge area right here. So you have very good visibility out of this vehicle. So you can see this entire thing. So that was our tour for the A Limousine, A200, A200D and the A35 AMG, all the same. Definitely the A35 will come with a body kit and a lot more power and the Burmester surround sound system. Thank you.